welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T coming to you with another video. So I wanted to start this series of me trying out not new eyeshadow palettes, but eyeshadow palettes that's been there but I've never actually tried them. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so I went off camera and prepped my face. So now I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer and just do my brows real quick. I know my brows look literally just crazy, but we're just gonna work with it for now because I don't really do much with my brows. All I do with my brows is just fill them in and then just brush the product through, and that helps, gives it a fuller look, because I like when my brows look full. I know they're already full, but I like it fuller. Next I'm gonna take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Dark 46. I'm just putting that on the back of my hand like so, and just taking my brush, and I literally just realized how big this brush is because I did not expect it to be that big. I'm also gonna use that concealer to prime my eyelids, so that's why it's on this eye. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, and then I'll be right back. All right, now that the eyes are prepped, I'm just gonna set them with some blue setting powder. I'm just gonna take my Laura Mercier and translucent and just take, if that can open, just gonna take this brush and just set the lids. Alright, for eyeshadow today we're gonna take this Lurella Passport eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. It's all the shades are like country's name. It's so pretty, it's so cute. Like, okay, to start, I have no idea what I'm gonna do to my eyes. There's a bunch of greens. There's greens, yellow, blues, and browns, burgundy. Yeah, we have like a navy blue. Yeah, we have a lot to choose from. So I'm gonna take Spain and start with that in my crease to define the crease. I'm just stamping that in my crease and just keep going until the color is built up. I'm gonna try the halo look since I've never done it before. I don't even know if I started the right way. And I'm gonna take my brush, my blending brush, and just, without adding any more product, and just blend upward so the color could fade a little. And then I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is Australia. I'm just gonna go in and buff out the edges. Australia is darker than it looks in the pen. I don't know if it's me, but it looks darker. You guys see that? Australia looks way darker than what is in the pen. Before we move on, I'm gonna go into Chile, which is on top of Australia right there. And I'm just gonna do that, create that space under my brow bone. I'm gonna go back into Spain and just reinforce that shade. And then for the center, I'm gonna take my brush and go into Brazil. I'm gonna go into Brazil, which is right here, and then I'm gonna put Ireland on top. Ooh, Brazil looks pretty. I don't think Brazil needs anything on top of it, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. But this is so pretty though. Alright guys, I'm gonna go off camera and do this eye, and then I'll be back for the rest of the face. Alright guys, I'm back to finish up the eyes. I've done the whole face. I already filmed this look. I already filmed the base. I'm just gonna take my brush without adding any product in it, because it still has some. This color is giving me dark purple, like really purple. I'm just gonna smoke out my bottom lash line using Spain. And then connect it with the outer part of the eye. Okay, next I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics eyeliner and just line, if it can open, and just line my top lash line. This pencil is so beginner friendly. 500 years later, I'm gonna take Grande Drama mascara. Again, I'm dropping stuff today. I love this mascara. Like, I got it in my BoxyCharm and it has castor oil in it. Now I'm just noticing that, and it's really good. What I like about it, it separates my lashes. I also have bottom lashes with this mascara. It's just so good. Alright, that is it. I'm gonna go and try to put these on. It's gonna be a struggle, but I'm gonna try to put these on, and then I'll be right back. I don't know if I'm gonna include this footage, so let's see. with lips, I'm gonna keep the lips neutral. That's not neutral. I'm gonna take BFF4 from ColourPop, from the ColourPop and Shayla collection, and just line my lips. And then I'm gonna take, where is it? Fenty Gloss Bomb and Diamond Milk, and just gonna take my all-nighter Urban Decay and just by the way, this is XL, I think. Yeah, this is the extra large bottle. I got this bottle like 2 Christmases ago, and it's still there. I'm glad it's still there, to be honest, because I don't know, this spray is like my favorite spray, and that's why I got it. Yeah, alright, that is it for this look. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Don't forget to share this video, and also stay tuned for more videos, and make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys share this video with your friends, and make sure to check out my other videos. I'm gonna like one in the cards, and then there's gonna be 2 at the end screen, so make sure you guys watch my other videos. Yeah, that is it for this look. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.